Hey guys, Mickey Albert at Johnson RV again here in Sandy, America's #1 premium pre-owned dealer. Today we're going to take a look at what we specialize in. We got a 2014 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. So again, beautiful rig, top of the line as far as build quality. You got the Sprinter chassis, obviously with the 3-liter turbo diesel in it. Nice wide mirrors. And then again, a couple big upgrades on this one. We have blinker cameras as well, which makes, again, a unit this size so easy to drive, really comfortable. Nice sleek overhead cap, full body paint, such a beautiful rig. Again, even in a 2014, it almost looks brand new. Automatic awning, it's gonna create that nice undercover space when you're out on the road and you have a nice day. And then again, nice sleek windows that are going to open up from the bottom, give you that awning style look, and keep it nice and dry inside. Good size storage. Again, anytime you're on the road, you need as much storage as you can in these smaller rigs. So they do such a good job with that. Then coming back, you've got some easy access panel, and then you've got some plugs as well. So again, if you are going to have some stuff outside, whether it's coffee or you do some cooking out here as well. Again, another, sorry, this isn't storage. This is going to be the Onan 3600 LP generator. And then we also have extra little storage in the back as well. And then again, I'm sure you've seen leisure travel videos if you follow. I'm not going to jump out of here like Dean does, but you have a really nice size storage here. A couple hanging racks, and then access actually from the inside as well. So great storage space on a unit this size. Coming around the back, got your one for the window for the bedroom, backup camera that I had mentioned, and then again, these also have a 5,000-pound weighted hitch already on. So again, very well put together. Coming around, this obviously is your propane fill, your water hookups, propane switch to turn off. You also, this one comes with a macerator. So again, a lot of people want that upgrade. This has it on it already. Then we have all your water hookups again. So you have hot and cold water, your flow for winterization. Again, really nicely compact setup, easy access to all of these panels. We are going to head inside and take a look at the 2014 Murphy bed. Hey guys, Mickey Albert again. We're inside the 2014 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy now. Pretty standard with the Sprinter chassis, lots of controls on the steering wheel. We have a monitor for the backup camera and blinker cameras I was telling you about. And then other than that, super clean, obviously for this year. The ultra leather looks almost brand new. Again, a nice feature that they do with the leisure travel vans. Obviously, with this being the Murphy bed model, I'm just going to sit down real quick. But so you have nice chairs that are actually on a button and automatically laid down, so the Murphy bed can come down over the top. Great size table. So whether I was eating dinner or just trying to enjoy a cup of coffee, it's a really nice setup to be relaxing in the coach. I'm just going to peek right through here. Obviously, you have a TV, and this is going to pop right up straight across, which is a nice feature. And then if you do just want to have the window or you want to have some more light in here, nice, easy push down, and that's going to be there. When the bed's down, you don't want anybody to fall. They have this nice feature. It's going to cover that so that you can stand on it and then put that back up, obviously. But again, a nice little feature so that you're safe inside the coach. And then you have your panels up here. You can check your tanks, extend the jacks. You obviously on this coach, even though it's a 2014, less than 60 hours on the generator, so well taken care of. Again, just real quick while we're up front here, nice size little storages. Again, doing the best they can with any space. You also have overhead cabinets, and there's 2 of those as well. So again, for the front part of the cabin, great space, great storage, and a super comfortable setup. Coming back, obviously, into the kitchen, nice little L-shaped. You got your 2-burner stove, place for a garbage can, obviously the sink, but with these nice covers that match the Corian you absolutely have plenty of space to prepare dinner, make some dip, whatever it is you like to do. Coming over, we got refrigerator. Again, nice size for any of the trips, and definitely a big enough freezer to get some ice cream in. So I know in my family that's a big deal. Nice convection microwave, set up perfect. And then again, for those who like to cook or take a lot of stuff with you, nice size pantry. One thing that people love about the Murphy bed model is the size of the bathroom. If you're going to be on the road and you're going to be traveling long term, they do such a good job with space. So again, you have a nice size closet where you can hang some stuff, storage shelves, and then you have nice deep drawers as well. And then you also, just coming back into the bathroom, this is that access to the outside. So again, 2 more shelves, and if you want to access it from the outside, you can. If not, you can just do that from in here. Good size sink. We have storage underneath. And again, that back window, if you want to be able to get more sunlight in, again, it's just really well made. And then obviously you have a nice size bathroom, great size shower with a skylight. It just creates a real inviting if you're going to be on the road to have your own space and set up. So again, you guys, 2014 Unity Murphy bed, like new condition. Come and see us if you want to see it in person.